Hi there everyone, Preetham this side. Today in this video, I will be talking with you about how you can install the latest version of Windows Stock Media Player to your device, which is right now only available for Windows Insiders, which means that if you haven't installed Windows Beta, then you won't find it inside Windows Update. So let's quickly see how you can install latest version of Media Player to your device. For that, we just quickly move towards this website. And don't worry guys, I will also provide the link of this website in the description of this video. Then here you need to type the following. I will also provide this text in the description. Just copy and paste it and make sure that you have selected this package family name. And from here you have selected as fast. Then simply paste this text here and then click on this tick icon. After some time you will find all these results. Now here you need to look for this Microsoft Zune Music MSI bundle. Just download it. After the download got completed, now just open the folder where exactly it is. Now if you directly try to run it, you won't, because here you will see an error that this package required minimum OS version of 10.0.22471 or higher, which is greater than current stable version, which is 10.0.22000. Therefore we could not install it like this. So how we can install this? For that we need to make a right click and make sure that you have 7-zip or WinRAR archiver present. Just unzip it. Here we go. Now here what we require to do is we need to find x64 file. Now click here on size because this file is large enough, so in this way we can find it easily. Now again make a right click and try to extract it. Here I am using 7-zip, so I am going to extract it again in same folder. Now here we have got this folder at the last. Now let's open this. Now what we require to do is we need to change this app manifest file where we can manipulate the value of build number to a lower value. So let's do it. So simply open it with Notepad. Just look for the dependencies and here we go. Here we have got this dependency. Now what we require to do is we need to check the version of operating system is currently installed in our system. So for that, just click on this Windows button and click on setting. Here, just go at bottom and about, and here I can see my minimum version. So let me just copy the same, and now I will paste it here, which says minimum version. Okay, so let me change these two values like this, and now we will save this file. Now let's close it, and this time we require to delete few files. So the first one is apexblockmap.xml. Simply delete this file. The second one is apex signature, this one, and then we need to delete this content types. The last file that we require to delete is this folder. In this way our setup is almost ready, but still something yet to be done. For that we need to go to developer setting. So click here on menu and setting, and here search for developer setting. Now we require to turn this developer mode on. Now just close this window and run PowerShell. Okay, so we will run PowerShell as administrator. Now we require to delete the existing Windows Media Player, which is Zune. So let me just quickly show you this Groove Music. We're going to delete it. Okay, so how we can do that? For that we require to paste this command, which is like this, and press enter. You will also find this command in the description of this video, so simply you can copy from there. Now you won't find Zune Music in your system anymore. So in this way we have just deleted the existing application. Now the last option that got left is to install the package that we have downloaded from internet. So just paste this command and don't hit enter, because here we need to provide the path. Now we will be providing the path of this manifest. So make a right click and select this option which says copy as a path. And now I will paste this path here by pressing Ctrl and V, and now I will hit enter. And here you can see the deployment was in progress and it have already installed this application. So let's just quickly see this new Groove Music. Now known as Media Player app. So here you can see latest Media Player application from Microsoft, and you can enjoy several type of media, as you can see here, supported by this Media Player. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.